Hello everyone, my name is Sham and welcome to VFX Kitchen. Here I'm gonna share with you my experience of building pipelines for visual effects. So whether you are new to the industry or you have 10 years of experience, I'm sure you're gonna find something interesting. We will think together how can we enhance our workflow, solve complex issues, maybe writing scripts and tools and plugins all the time. It's more how we think about solving an issue, and then you start into the code side. Okay, I have to write a code to solve this issue, writing a script, writing a plugin. What would be more efficient to solve this issue? It's more about a research journey we're doing together, so if you're excited, support us by liking our videos, subscribing to our channel, and share it with your friends. I wish you a blessing day and see you next time. Bye.
Boom, 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 boom. I'll shoot you right down. Boom, 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 boom.